Ever wanted to halt everything exactly as it is, right within the dynamic flow of Higgsfield? Today, we're diving deep into achieving the captivating freezing effect, bringing a sense of stasis and artistic control to your Higgsfield creations. Our journey begins with understanding the concept of time manipulation within Higgsfield. This often translates to adjusting the timing of your animations. Think of it like stretching out a moment, making it last significantly longer. Leveraging Higgsfield's AI-driven capabilities, we can instruct it to meticulously analyze your animation's progression. The AI will then help us identify the precise moment to initiate the freeze. This is the point where we want the action to deliberately pause. To achieve the visual illusion of freezing, we'll be adjusting specific time-based parameters. This might involve slowing down the animation playback to an almost imperceptible crawl, or introducing a gradual decay to motion. Next, we layer in the visual filters. These are crucial for selling the frozen state, adding a sense of suspended reality. Consider effects that dampen motion blur, or subtly desaturate colors to enhance the feeling of immobility. You might also experiment with subtle distortions or light patterns that suggest something is held in a temporal pocket. The goal is to create a believable pause, a moment outside of the normal flow. By skillfully combining time parameter manipulation, AI assistance, and the right visual filters, you can craft incredibly impactful freezing effects within Higgsfield. Experiment and find what resonates most with your artistic vision.